Why are you viewing people being fat as a punishment? Why exactly do you think that they have to struggle and suffer to get it off for them to really like I was talking with my friend a few days ago, and I was telling her about how a lot of people are uncomfortable with the idea of people using medications, drugs, and things to lose weight. So I think what makes them uncomfortable isn't actually the thoughts of them using medications to lose weight. It's let me explain how some people, not all, but some people view people that are fat or people that are obese. They view them as like, oh, you're where you are because of your choices and your lack of discipline and the fact that you don't take care of yourself. So rightfully in their mind, you being fat is a punishment to yourself. So they've already come to the conclusion that you are fat and that's a punishment. So why then are you trying to get away from your punishment with a medication? Why are you taking a shortcut? That's what's making them uncomfortable. It's not that they care that, oh, you might have a side effect or maybe later, a few years later, this or that could happen. That is not their concern at all. They feel very uncomfortable with the thoughts that you have escaped some type of punishment that you brought upon yourself. And instead of, struggling at the gym, trying so many diets and trying so many ways to lose weight, you just used your money, bought yourself a medication, and lost all the weight. And that's what really making a lot of people uncomfortable with it. Because I'm like, what's the big deal? Like, this is a medication that has been approved for this. So why is everybody suddenly foaming at the mouth, like as if it's a lie or they're being deceived? Why are we viewing obesity and people like being fat in an unhealthy way as like a punishment? Do you know that obesity is a chronic health disease? Like it's not a small thing. Obesity causes cardiovascular diseases, diabetes. There's so many other diseases linked to obesity, but somehow them releasing a drug that can help manage a condition that causes other diseases is making some people uncomfortable. Why? Why are you viewing people being fat as a punishment? Why exactly do you think that they have to struggle and suffer to get it off for them to really like I'm trying to wrap my head around it and I'm like, what's going on?